Hey, what is up everybody? It is AJ here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can stop your Windows 11 computer from going to sleep and from that screen turning off. Of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want to supercharge the ways your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. With that being said, let's get into this. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our start menu and simply type the word in sleep. From here, it's going to pull up a range of settings, and we're going to find the one called power, sleep, and battery settings. From here, we're going to select on the first option called screen and sleep. When we select on this, a drop-down menu of 4 different options are going to pop up, and these are broken down really into 2 sections. The first 2 are when your screen goes to sleep, and the bottom 2 are when your whole computer goes to sleep. And then you break that down even further by whether it's on battery power or whether it's plugged in. The first one, and probably the most critical, is when your computer is on battery power, how quickly do you want to turn your screen off? By default, this is set to 5 minutes, and on the right hand side, you can select on this drop down menu, and you can set it to go off even faster, or you could even choose to have your screen never turn off until the battery completely dies. I personally recommend to not have this set for more than 10 minutes unless you really have to, because it's just going to drain your battery for no real reason. The second option under that is when your computer is plugged in, so when it's getting power, how quickly or how slowly do you want that screen to turn off? Well, it's again by default set to 10 minutes, but this one here you can be a little bit more lenient with because you've got the power plugged in. You could have it set for 20, 30, an hour, or even never. So if you want to look at your desktop, or if you want to look at, say, a slideshow, you could have this set for a longer period of time, and you know your battery is not going to run out because you're plugged into power. The second 2 options are when your whole computer, not just the screen, go to sleep. Of course, the first one is again on battery power, so I recommend having this one as a shorter time frame. Maybe we'll set this to 15 minutes, and then of course when it's plugged into power, which you don't have to worry about because you've got the power plugged in, you can have this set to any time period that you want. Thanks to EasyOS for sponsoring this video. EasyOS has been around for over 18 years and has over 530 million customers worldwide. Their EasyOS Rec Expert tool is a simple and smart way to screen record for Windows operating systems. It has an amazing set of features, from the simple audio and video recording to powerful tools such as GIF capture, webcam capture, and even scheduled recordings, and it's available in both the free and a paid version. EasyOS has a Trustpilot score of 4.7 stars from over 8,900 reviews. And if you want to learn more about EasyOS and their Rec Expert tool, simply follow the link in the description down below. And now, back to the video. So, there you have it. It is that easy to change when your screen and your computer go to sleep in Windows 11. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to supercharge the way you use your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.